With socks for women, non-slip, toeless, non-skid, sticky grip sock. Best Pilates socks. In order to add grip, many practitioners wear Pilates socks. These socks are perfect if your Pilates home gym doesn't have the best flooring. We have found that the best Pilates socks are the non-slip toeless yoga socks for women. This pair of socks is perfect for grip control as it has a sticky grip. Made of 70% recycled cotton, 29% nylon, 1% spandex, this pair of socks is extremely comfortable and safe to wear. The toeless design doesn't limit freedom, it enhances it. The material is also wicking, which prevents feet from being moist. Not to mention, it has a beautiful design which adds a bit of style to any wearer. The socks are easy to wash and may be thrown in the washing machine along with other workout gear. Pilates socks form an optional part of a Pilates home gym, but it will definitely be noticeable equipment. Pros: excellent grip control, easy to wash, made with 70% cotton. Cons: made with artificial material although minimal.